Hello, Guiding Bolt fans. Ron here. Today I'm going to go over a little basic washer maintenance. We're going to go over a part that if you don't have it on your washer, you're going to want to make sure you get it on there to prevent future problems. We're going to go over what's known as the stainless steel mesh lint trap. What it is you have a hose that comes off the back of your washer. Generally it's going to drain into one of these basins. If you are not putting one of these on, what's going to happen is this eventually is going to clog with lint and it's going to overflow into your basement, and it's not a good thing. So these are typically, $5-6 for a pack of 3 of them. I will have a link in the description. Otherwise, you can also pick them up at your local hardware store. All they are is a basic little zip tie here. So you can see this is a used one that's collected all our lint. We're going to pull this one off. We're going to put our zip tie up and around here so it's out of the way. Slide our new one up and on. And then you come back around here and you just cinch this tight. Just like that. Now what's going to happen is as your water comes out, it's going to go through here, and this is going to collect all that lint and prevent this from going down your drain and clogging. Where if that clogs, you'll probably end up either having to clean it out yourself or call a plumber. So feel free to like and subscribe if you liked our content. Have a great day.